get a check of our forecast now. We've got Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum joining us. We've got some things to keep an eye on over the next few days, Dave.
Yeah, going to see some very busy weather out there, and a number of rounds of severe weather are expected here beginning around 2 a.m. tonight all the way until 7 a.m. on Thursday. And each one of these rounds could produce some damaging winds, hail, and possibly a tornado. The threat is there, but it is low, which is good news, unlike to our neighbors to the north that have a higher threat for tornadoes. So one of the rounds, round one, 2 a.m. to noon tomorrow is round one we're looking at, followed by 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. is round two. And round three, roughly midnight to 7 a.m. on Friday. So each one of these rounds, we need to be weather aware. We could see there's strong to severe thunderstorms across the area. Right now, the stormy weather is off to our north here across Tennessee and Kentucky. But notice the severe weather risk does work its way to Alabama, a level 1 south of Birmingham, Birmingham to Coleman, level 2, Coleman to the north, level 3 risk. The reason why it looks like this is there's storms are coming in from north to south tonight. This outlook here for today goes until 7 a.m. on Thursday. Then beginning at 7 a.m. tomorrow, you kind of see it flip because the storms are moving to the south and the severe threat will be diminishing to the north and increasing to the south there throughout the day on Thursday. Right now, we have a tornado watch in effect here for North Alabama. It does include Coleman County, but no one else here. This goes until 11 o'clock tonight, and it's for these storms we're watching here to the north, kind of working the way closer to the Alabama area. Severe thunderstorms here breaking out. When you see these individual cells like we have here lining up from Clarksville, Tennessee down to Columbia, that's not good. Each one of these have had tornado warnings on them. The south one here, again, tornado warning as well, too. These are moving in the Nashville metro area. So going to watch these. However, notice the bulk of them are moving off to the east. That's at least good for now. Eventually, they'll kind of drift their way southward. At the moment, we just have some random showers popping up. One of them here heading over towards, say, Alex City area, getting maybe a little downpour. It's almost dissipated here. No lightning with these, just a few sprinkles are we're really tracking across central Alabama. It's warm, it's humid. That's fuel for those storms. We're in the mid-80s now. We'll stay in the 80s through 6 o'clock and only fall to the 70s tonight. Breezy out there. The chance for rain does stay fairly low through the rest of the evening. You'll see a few storms could get stronger here by 7 o'clock near Columbus, Mississippi to north of Hamilton, heading the way toward Hartselle and Coleman through 11 o'clock, and they'll move off to the east. Then we'll see that main line working its way southward 7 o'clock in the morning, continuing to push south here by lunchtime. That's the end of round one. Round two starts at 4 o'clock. A few individual storms start developing here near Soligen area back toward Columbus, Mississippi. They'll spread across the area. If atmosphere recovers, we could see some damaging winds and hail with these. We need to keep an eye out. This is 8 p.m. on Thursday. They'll clear out of the area by 11 o'clock, and then here comes round three overnight into Friday. Some scattered storms. They also could be strong to severe. However, I think the greater severe threat is going to be farther to the south as we headed throughout Friday night. Now, as for the region's tradition, not looking great tomorrow, but Friday morning the rain will end. Then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday things are looking very good out there as we headed to the weekend rounds. So weather aware throughout the day Thursday into early Friday morning, and then Friday the storms end by in the morning there, and then beautiful weather for Mother's Day weekend. How about 79 on Sunday, but then more unsettled weather returns.